Alright, y'all, today we are somewhere a bit unusual. As you can see, yes, IKEA is having a huge car show. Supposedly, we gotta go over there. We're not parked in the right spot. It's supposed to be on the other side. But I had to come over here because I already found some fire shit. I don't know if this is a real one. If it is a real one, these be having like 1,500, 2,000 horsepower, depending. But I haven't seen one of these in a while. Yes, a Viper with a whole drag pack on it. Well, kind of a drag pack. Got B-locks and slick, so. But the special one about this and what it might be, it might not, or it might be, it actually might be a Calvo Motorsport Viper. So for those of you that don't know, this is a shop somewhere in America, I believe Texas, and they build some of the craziest Vipers you could ever imagine. And they go, if I'm not mistaken, all the way up to 2,000 horsepower sometimes. I don't know if this is actually a Calvo, it just says it on the license plate frame. But if it actually is, this shit is badass. And I don't even like flat black cars either. But this is cool. It's two-tone. It's like half flat and then a nice gloss black stripe down the middle. But this must have some serious power. Yeah, so I parked on the whole other side. I don't got a car I would like taking up space, so I figured let me just move. So I gotta walk all the way on the other side, but let's cross our fingers and hope there's some fire. Show you what we got. We got some Porsches right here. Turbo S. Classic. I need one of these so bad. I'm very solid. It's one of the best M3s ever. E36s just do it, and these are not one of the best M3 evers. I hate the way those engines sound. There's just something aesthetically pleasing about these old Porsches. I don't know what it is. Like, look how the whole color combo just goes. Blue building, yellow building, burgundy. This is sick. Do I know what year it is? Absolutely not. I ain't gonna lie, off initial look, they got some shit here. They got a couple toys, and it's a big lot behind me, but let's dive in and show you what we got right here. Sick E90, 4-door, white on white. I don't know what it is about 4 doors or roll cages, but them shits are just so damn cool. Like, literally. Obviously, no one can sit back here now, but still pretty sick. And we got this bad boy right here. Crispy yellow Supra. It does have like some Fast and Furious kind of livery or sticker kit, but I don't know if these are custom. I feel like I've never seen these seats in any other Supra. I'm always going to be a fan of these newer generation Subaru BRZs, FRSs. I swear they did a perfect job on all these GT86s, whatever you want to call it. This is a perfect little car, except the engine is severely underpowered, but guy's fitment is on point. Look at his back wheel. It's like perfect. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's like a perfect little bubbly, nice, like perfectly portioned car. I love these. Forever and ever. Okay. Now this may not look like anything special to some of you, but if you notice, the steering wheel is kind of on the wrong side. It's right-hand drive to just start things off. I'm pretty sure those Civic seat covers are probably an arm and a leg. I don't like them. It kind of ruins the whole interior, but these cars are becoming harder and harder to find this clean. This guy has a bunch of one-off JDM parts. These gather back speakers. You got like the air freshener in the middle, air refiner, sorry. Double gathers actually. I'm telling you, those seat covers are an arm and a leg. You got the Honda pillow. You got a Honda tissue box in there. At first glance, many wouldn't like say anything about this, but if you know, you know. I'm pretty sure this car goes for a good amount of money. Probably somewhere around, say, 10K, 15K for this old ass Honda. Of course, it doesn't go as much as something like this. These are like what, 90? But these have got to be one of the sickest cars ever. And this is a 15th anniversary too. One of the best greens you can get, I swear. I love the speed green, signal green, whatever they call it, but this is sick. This is the first time I ever see Isle of Man actually done. They did so many of this color, you always see them stock. But this one fake done up. They got carbon everything on the front bumper. Lip, carbon inserts, carbon grille. And he has a whole drag pack on this. Look at the back wheel. It barely fits in that wheel well. Bead locks, and there's 18 instead of the usual. I think they come with 19s or 20s. But it's funny. Whenever you hear that, you already know there's a rotary inside that. Now you know we can't be at a California car show and not see a crazy exotic. If I'm not mistaken, this is a 296. I could be wrong, but I'm not really a fan of the flat black. I like the interior. It got like carbon everything, but the yellow accents do it some justice. But if I have to choose, definitely SF90s. No way over a 296 for sure. It's a crazy switch up to see. This is one super clean S15. Got to be one of the best S bodies you can get. S13 and S14 and S15. Something about this front end is forever just gonna be priceless. I love this right here. Not a fan of the yellow, but hey, and it's right-hand drive. Parked up casually next to the 296. Got a crispy clean GTR here. I don't want to interrupt. They got a whole combo going on, but this engine bay is insane. Holy. Yeah, I'm sure that goes for a bag. Anything mines for this car is getting so hard to find, and it's so much money nowadays, but this one clean ass R33. It's getting a lot of fan love. Can't let a crispy Type R roll by and not show it some love. And he's on the Rega Masters. Whenever I see a Honda on Rega Masters and not T37, I give him my utmost respect. Finally. 2 R33s back to back. I don't know what bumper that is, but I like that bumper way better. We got the Panda situation going on. And they both on T. Oh no, this is on TEs. The other one isn't. T37s. Boy, right here got the Avant GTs. I love these rims. These gotta be one of my favorite rims. Fuck TEs. This gotta be it. But yeah, I don't know what bumper this is with like the whole side vent, but I'd much rather have this side vented bumper than this one.